I was doing my usual research when I came across a swap meet this past Saturday where apparently there was a $5 entry fee, and then once you paid that, you could take anything that you wanted. So say less, I showed up right on time and here's what happened. Hey guys, just compiling footage for Editor Riff, and I'm realizing at the swap meet that none of the audio was working.
Oh, what a loser!
Really sorry. Usually I'm talking through everything that I'm looking through, but today I'm going to be doing a voiceover, so just letting you guys know, yeah, that didn't go as planned. Dang it.
What an idiot!
I also want to add that this was in a really weird, shady location where it was kind of scary, and I was like, am I gonna get lost? Is this even real? But if you guys don't think I'm willing to risk my life for a good deal, you don't know me at all.
Cross your fingers for me that we find some good stuff. Otherwise, the bins is really close, so we can always go there and see. I did double check with the ladies up front, and they said, yep, everything is free if you pay the $5 entry fee. So first stop was this table where I found this Leaf Nelson sweater. Felt really nice. I looked up comps and they seem to be decent. So we're already off to a great start. This Mario shirt was just kind of funny, and it's a personal grail, so it's not worth very much, but that's because I'm going to be rocking it in my dorky way. But this next jacket is an armored motorcycle jacket, and it is worth good money. Whenever you see a big jacket like this that has like all this kind of crazy padding, a keyword you're gonna wanna look out for is armored. This is an armored motorcycle jacket, and it's not like a really cool brand. The brand is Speed and Strength. If it were Harley Davidson, it'd be worth a lot more. But I'm seeing sold comps on eBay for around $50 for this alone. So this is a great pickup still. Again, $5 entry fee. Like, I really can't wrap my head around this. Why can't every single garage sale be like this? Next up are some OGO messenger bags, and these have a little pocket for like an iPad or a MacBook Air, so these are worth decent money. Over in the shoe section, there were a few pairs that caught my eye, but these especially looked very interesting. I'd never seen Polo Ralph Lauren shoes before, so I was actually a little bit like, are these suspicious or not? So these are some Ralph Lauren shoes. I kind of just pick them up because whenever I see something that's unique and different, you guys know weird is good on eBay, I grab it, and I didn't have time to look it up because there was so much great stuff at this sale. But these are some Polo Ralph Lauren. These are the Solomon 2 high top sneakers with like all these graphics on them. And these sell for like 50 bucks. I think brand new they sell for over 100, 50 bucks resale value on eBay. So super glad I picked this up because already I've made a profit off like the first few things I grabbed. I'm always on the lookout for things I can get my kids, and these Nikes were in like new condition, so picked those up for one of my boys. They will absolutely love them. But then I came across a true grail, which is this Coach bag. Coach gets faked quite often, but this in all aspects felt extremely real. Okay, so this is a Coach bag, and I am really picky about the Coach bags that I pick up. The older stuff doesn't really sell very well for me, but plenty of styles sell fantastic, and this is the Morgan satchel in pink. It's in really good condition. I see one that sold on Poshmark for $118. That was brand new. This retails for $450. Crazy! So I do think I can sell this for around $100 pretty easily. It's just, it blows my mind. This was like the best day of my life.
The best day of your life that didn't record the audio, and it's now the worst day of my editing life.
I was just kidding!
Because everything was free, I picked up pretty much any brand that I thought would resell decently well. And this is Prana. Prana can be hit or miss, but it sells consistently for me. It's an activewear brand, just like Nike. This is like almost a like new Nike hoodie full zip. I have one, I love it. I've sold it before, it sells great. Same with this Wanakome hoodie. So this is like a funnel neck hoodie, and comps looked really good. This is a Madewell sweater, and I'm looking inside to see the tag to see when it was made or when it came out. And it came out holiday of 2018, so that's recent enough for me to want to take it home and sell it. And this was just the shocker of all shockers. Like, what is going on? A Burberry silk tie. What? Of course, you guys know I'm looking at the stitching and the style and I'm going, is this fake? Is it real? And let's just have a moment of silence for this. A Burberry silk tie. Are you kidding me? Like, I died when I pulled this out.
Grandma wants some Burberry.
It is authentic and it's like the modern slim cut tie. I believe this retailed for over $200. I will be able to resell it for anywhere from $50 to $100. It does have like a couple little stains on it, but I can get those out. And yeah, I was super excited to pull this out. So already we are having a fantastic day at this swap meet. Carhartt is just a bread and butter pickup, especially in a larger size like this, a 2XL. It'll sell between $15 and $20 every single time. This was a massive box I had to dig through. Nothing was sorted in there, so I just pulled things out one at a time. But I'm glad I did because I found this. Okay, it turns out it was worth digging through that entire big box because this is the Sundance Fabled Flower Tunic top. It's sold on Poshmark. I see a recent sold for $50. So definitely worth it if I don't keep it myself because I actually think it is really cute. But yeah, this was a fantastic find. I love finding the Sundance embroidered tunics like this. They always sell really well. It gives like Johnny Was vibes. If I can't find Lululemon, I will settle happily for Athleta. These are some Athleta seamless leggings, 20 to 30 bucks every time. They sell great for me. And then another activewear brand I really like is Zaya. These are like some faux leather leggings and Zaya sells, again, $20 to $30, sometimes $40 to $50 if it's a more rare style. And this is an Ed Hardy tee. I don't know if it's vintage or not. I don't think it is. If it's like from the early 2000s, it's worth a lot more, but even if it's more recent, it'll still sell for $15 to $20. So I grabbed it. Everything was free, so why not, right? And then this is Raw State, which I think is housed in the same brand as Affliction, which do these like graphic, like kind of this tattoo style graphic print. And I found a couple of these. They should sell decently well, $15 to $25 each. I love finding Abercrombie & Fitch when it is a certain newer style, and these are the soft A&F fleece joggers. I actually tried these on at home, and I love them, and I think I'm going to keep them for me because they are so cozy, but they do sell well. I think most people would have been like, I'm out. TJ would be dying. But I'm like, no, I'm going to look through everything because that's my jam. Oh, what is this? Ooh. Austin Reed. I've tried to sell it in the past and it's been very slow. I don't know. I'm gonna put this in the maybe section. We've got some more Carhartt here. These are some Carhartt distressed cargo pants. Even though there's a couple stains on them, I've sold Carhartt like destroyed. And it has sold still on eBay for like $15 to $20. So I still picked it up. And then this is Cut from the Cloth. It's a brand sold at Nordstrom, one of their lower tier brands, but it still does sell if it's newer, and this is the newer tag. So I grabbed it. I think it'll sell for $20. This is very glamorous work. You know what? I'd rather do this than many things. I was almost ready to go when I saw this vacuum sealed bag and I was like, let's look through it, let's be thorough, and I saw a ton of really good stuff in here. And the Ariat button-down FR shirts sell for like $50. So a fantastic find, probably $200 worth of stuff in that one bag.
I don't know if Ashley mentioned this or not because there was no audio recording, but FR, I work for the city, I work in this kind of stuff. FR stands for flame resistant, so you won't catch on fire. Pretty straightforward.
So I kept digging in that little vacuum seal bag and every single shirt was Ariat or Carhartt and it had that FR symbol on it. So I'm really glad I picked them all up because not only do these brands sell really well for me, but with that symbol, I think it means they sell for more. So if TJ were here, he'd be like, Ashley, let's go. He would be so done. But this is where thoroughness pays off because I just kept pulling out shirt after shirt after shirt. Okay, I did a little more research on these Ariat long sleeves and I was a little skeptical. You guys know I looked in that bag, I pulled every single one out. Ariat can be hit or miss, but when it's the Ariat Work FR, that means fire resistant, and these are like fire resistant welding tees. I picked up a bunch of them. They sell for $30 each on eBay, so I couldn't believe it. So excited. How many did I grab? 4, 5? I'm trying to think back, but that's like $100 to $150 easy just from that one one bag. Glad I didn't pass it up and I looked at everything.
Like I said before, I'm always looking for things for my kids, and this was the cutest little outfit for Crewy. It was exactly his size, 18 months, so I'm going to have him wear it as much as he can. He's not allowed to grow any bigger, but even when he does grow out of it, it'll still sell really well because it's the Nike Jumpman. These are some vintage Adriano Goldschmied jeans. They are bootcut, low rise. That is totally on trend right now, so they will definitely sell. And then another really cool find on this table was this Ted Baker floral sweater. It is more recent, so I think it came out just a year or two ago. And I saw a sold comp on Poshmark for $80 for this sweater. So a really cool pickup on this table. So glad I didn't pass it up. I think it's really cute. Okay, well, this has been such a successful day. For $5, like I can't even wrap my mind around this. I found so much great stuff and I can't wait to add it up with you. I think this is an amazing haul. And I am going to go ahead and donate a little bit more money just because I feel like it's bad karma to just have this much amazing stuff and not do that. So. Yeah, but I think I'm ready to go. So when all is said and done and I sat down and added up everything that I got at that swap meet, it added up to just shy of $1,000 of resale value. That is crazy. As you guys saw, I went back and I donated more money because I just kind of felt bad that it was so cheap. I talked to them for a little bit actually, and they had said that everything had to go that day. They were super thrilled. They knew that I am a reseller. They did not care. They just wanted everything to go because it was going to be donated regardless. So I was really happy. Hey, I'll take it off your hands. They were super kind and it was a really good event. So very, very happy with this haul. I'm so glad you guys tuned in. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.